Hi, this is Jeff Atkinson, Pneumatic Specialist for C&E Advanced Technologies, bringing you a Pneumatic Product Moment featuring KOGANEI's iB-ZERO molded plastic valves. KOGANEI's iB series of products stands for Innovative and Blue Ocean, and the iB-ZERO molded plastic valve manifold certainly is that. This patent-pending design only requires a screwdriver for assembly, offering single or double-acting valves. It's thin, it's lightweight, and it's base or DIN rail mountable. It includes all of the metric or inch quick fittings, and best of all, it's easy on the budget. How easy on the budget, you might ask? Well, you can get a two-station manifold with a single valve, a double valve, the end plates, all the quick fittings that only takes 5 minutes to assemble for under $90. That's KOGANEI's iB-ZERO molded plastic valves. For more information about this product or any of the other cool and unique products from KOGANEI, reach out to your technology consultant from C&E Advanced Technologies.